Hello and welcome back to Officina Virtuale. Let's continue our beginner series and today in part design let's make our washer. We can click OK and we can select our Y-X plane, and on this plane we can sketch two different circles. This is our first circle. Let's say its diameter 8 millimeters, and let's sketch our second circle. We can select the origin as our center point and let's say 12. Now we can extrude this and let's say 1 millimeters. Okay, we can hide our plane, hide and show, and we can add a material. As always, let's select painting and let's say orange washer and apply material, and let's click on OK. Now let's select save as, and we can save this as a washer. Save and OK. I already saved this kind of element, and now we can sketch our second element. So we can close this and we can start with a new part. Let's say pin. Okay, we can select our Y-X plane, and on this plane we can sketch our circle and let's say 8 millimeters, and we can extrude this with our parent command, let's say 30 with mirror extend. Okay. Now we want to realize the hole on this surface here. Okay, and as extension, let's say up to next. As diameter, we can fix 2 millimeters. We can select the position, and to sketch the position, as you can see here, we want to select coincidence between this and our YZ plane. Coincidence. Okay, and we can fix this distance here, point and this element here, let's say 6.75. Okay, we can exit workbench, and this is our hole. We can click OK. Now we can select our mirror icon here, and we can, as you can see, we've got problem with this operation, and I can check, I can use, for example, I can use this circular pattern. With our circular pattern, I need to select as element, I want to select a hole, and we can specify complete crown. And as reference, as you can see here, we can use our y-axis. So let's select the y-axis and let's click on preview and OK. If you got problem with this mirror operation, you can use this circular pattern. Okay, and now we can use, for example, our chamfer, let's say 1 millimeters and as angle 45 degree, and we can select this surface here and this surface here, click on preview and OK. As always, let's hide the three different plane, hide and show, and we can add material. For example, we can add an intensive green and pin, apply material and OK. And now we can save our file, save as, pin, save. And now in our next tutorial we will start with our first assembly design, so see you soon.